This is lesson 1 of Unit 4 in Grade 9 Geography. The topic is environmental balance. Now, what is environment? Now, as you can see, the surrounding that is created by biotic and abiotic components is called the environment. Biotic means the living organisms, small and big, and sometimes there are microorganisms. Abiotic means the non-living things around us. What are biotic components of the environment? Now, biotic components are the living organisms in the environment. For an example, mammals, fish, birds, microorganisms, plants, etc. There are various types of plants and animals existing in the environment. So if you go out of your house and look around the house, in your home garden, it may be on the road, even under your foot, there are many types of animals and plants. Some can be seen by our naked eye, but some are very small. We need a hand lens or a microscope to view them. So what are abiotic components of the environment? They are the lifeless things. Non-living things found in the environment are called abiotic components. For an example, solar energy, water, soil, landforms, rocks, etc. What is called as biocommunity? Now, as you know, there are many interactions between plants and animals. The green plants produce food using solar energy. The animals depend on these plants directly or indirectly for the consumption of food. Not only to fulfill their food requirements, but for other things also. Animals need plants. For an example, to obtain oxygen, they need plants. Green plants produce oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. So without them, the other animals cannot live, and they need plants for shade to make their homes. So there are so many interactions in between animals and plants. So altogether, plants and animals are called as biocommunity. All plants and animals living on the earth are called the biocommunity. What are environmental attributes? If you go through the dictionary, you may find various definitions, but when simply say they are the important features of the environment. What is meant by environmental balance? It's a very important thing. Maintenance of the environment where biocommunity lives while protecting the environmental attributes by reacting to the changes that naturally occur is called environmental balance. Okay, let's see the types of interactions that can be seen in the environment. There are interactions between plants and animals, and the living beings maintain relationships with the physical environment. What about the man? Yes, man too is an essential component of the environment. Let's look at the assumption. The environmental factors influence the activities of the living beings. Activities of the living beings too influence the environment. So the maintenance of the mutual balance of influence is important for the existence of living beings. That's the end of lesson 1. Let's meet in lesson 2.